So what about if we can't reach the feet?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember that?
Yes, we can go as far as we can, hold maybe,
Mm-hmm.
or we can go as far as we can and then stay like this,
Exactly. Shall we
or
do that?
even hands on the floor,
Yeah,
whatever feels comfortable.
absolutely. But possibly the hands not reaching to the floor in this case, if it's not reaching to the feet.
Okay.
So the first two is very good.
And maybe the other, can we hold here?
Yeah, are the Uttanasana. Now the one you showed is Uttanasana. So let's do that first. We again inhale. Maybe what happens with the hands on the waistline, it gives the mind, for me at least, you know, in my experience, mind balance
Mm-hmm.
and stability. Then going into the posture, like a little bit more grounded and, you know, more in alignment you feel mentally as well. So inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, fold forward. Very good. Now imagine your hands actually not going so far down. What do you do? Bravo. Yes. Relax the neck. Soften the knees. We soften the knees, but we don't bend them too much. Just, you know, discovering there where the line is for us. And time to time, go a little bit beyond that line to straighten the knees. Or you can hold your legs, ankles. From the back sometimes we also hold, like maybe a bit of each hand like this, and then you can lengthen forward again, halfway. Very good. Yes. How does this feel?
Feels a bit easier.
Easier, okay. And then again, abdomen in, lengthening through the chest, and then with the exhale, let's see, go down, keeping the length of the torso. Very good. Exactly, yes. You can even hold them tighter. Very good. But not closing the chest so much. Bravo, yes. So, very good. Breathing. For the back of the thighs, it's quite a lot, yeah?
I felt my knees trembling.
Of course.